Early morning jungle with fog and sunlight through trees. Squirrel running on branches searching for seeds. Multiple birds flying above trees. Small pond in forest with birds drinking water. Sudden noise and animals hide silently. Forest calm again with nature sounds. Golden sunset over jungle with birds returning to nests. Squirrel eating seeds and parrot lands to eat together. Animals exploring bushes